Next time, we'll go out together. I'm sure you'll enjoy together. Last,
Derek Ramsay isinama ang anak na si Bibi Liana sa bahay ni Javet Singson. Pinag-prepare nga kasi si Derek ng birthday celebration sa bahay ni Javet. At sobrang saya ng samahan nila. Kasama din ang magulang ni Derek. Nandito nga lamang daw sila para kay Derek, lalo na may pinagdadaanan nito.
Next time, we'll go out together. I'm sure you'll enjoy together. Last,
Ang sweet nga ni Javet kay Derek, very close friend na talagang hindi iniwanan si Derek at itinirit pa ng masayang kaarawan para mapasaya ito. Napatawa din si Derek sa birthday message ni Sir Javet. Ang saya nga maging kaibigan nitong si Javet.
Just imagine if God takes away someone that you never thought you could lose. Imagine what He can give you. So, He's given me all of you, so
I love you.
Thank you very much for being here and loving me. Thanks.
May mga realization din si Derek ngayong kaarawan niya sa pinagdadaanan ngayon sa kanyang asawa sa separation. Sabi niya, thankful nga siya sa mga taong nananatili sa side niya at hindi siya iniwanan. Sabi niya dito, just imagine if God takes away someone that you never thought you could lose. Imagine what He can give you. He's giving me all of you. Thank you very much for being here and helping me.
He's given me all of you, so
I love you.
Thank you very much for being here and loving me. Thanks.
Marami pa rin ang nananatili sa side ni Derek, still quiet sa issue at gusto pang ipaglaban ang relasyon nila ng kanyang asawa. Ang ganda nga ng bahay ni Sir Javet, ang daming lamesa at nagkasya sila dito. Iba ring klase mag-prepare ng socialing handa si Javet. Enjoy silang lahat. Gustong mapasaya talaga si Derek at iparamdam sa kanya na nandito lamang sila. Naiwan man nga ng ibang mga kaibigan ng asawa, may nananatili pa rin at strong ang relationship nila. Next year na nga, 50 na si Derek.
Happy birthday to
sweet na mensahe nga ng mga kaibigan si Derek, sabi dito. Special thanks to one of my biggest inspiration. Truly living proof that age is just a number. Happiest birthday, Sir Derek. May God continue to bless you with good health, peace, and joy. Thank you for inspiring me, showing that investing in our health is a priority. Sabi pa ng kaibigan ni Derek. Happy birthday to my student Derek. Thank you for being kind and respectful. It's been really nice to witness how good a person you are to your family and to everyone. I am glad to be part of it. Wishing you balanced life and perfect health. Sabi pa dito, grateful for the memories and for being part of your fitness journey. Your kindness will always stay with me. God bless po and wishing you good health.